Welcome to the tutorial on LibreOffice Impress, viewing a presentation. In this tutorial, we will learn about view options and their uses and master pages. Here we are using GNU Linux as our operating system and LibreOffice Suite version 3.3.4. First, let us open our presentation, Sample Impress. LibreOffice Impress has many view options that help you create a better presentation. By default, when you start LibreOffice Impress, it looks like this. This is called the normal view. When the presentation is in any other view, you can return to the normal view by clicking on the Normal tab or by clicking on View and Normal. In the normal view, you can create and edit slides. For example, we can change the design of the slides. To do this, go to the slide titled Overview. On the right side in the Tasks pane, Master Pages section, under Used in this presentation, we can see the slide design is PRS Strategy. Under this, we can see Recently Used and Available for Use slide designs. Click on any one of your choice. Notice the change in the slide design in the Workspace pane. See how easy it is to change the slide design? You can also add designs that you have created as background for your slides. Next, we will see the Outline view. You can go to this view either by clicking on View and Outline or by clicking on the Outline tab. In this view, you can see that the slides are arranged one below the other, just like a table of contents. These here are the slide headings. Notice that the slide heading overview is highlighted. This is because we were on the overview slide when we selected the Outline tab. You can see these icons shaped like bullet points. When you hover the mouse over these bullet points, the cursor turns into a hand. We can then move these line items up or down in order to rearrange them within a slide or across slides. Let us undo these changes by pressing Ctrl and Z so that our presentation appears in its original form. We use the Slide Sorter view to rearrange slides. We can get to the Slide Sorter view by clicking on View and Slide Sorter, or by clicking on the Slide Sorter tab. This view is useful to sort the slides in the desired order. For example, to interchange slide number 9 and 10, click on slide number 10 and drag the slide before slide number 9. Now release the mouse button. The slides get interchanged. In the Notes view, you can write notes that will help you during your presentation. To go to the Notes view, click on View and then Notes page. You can also click on the Notes tab. Select the slide Development up to Present from the Slides pane. Type some text in the Notes portion. When your slides are viewed on a projector, you will still be able to see your notes on your monitor, but your audience won't. Now let's click on the Normal tab. We can change the layout of the presentation in the Tasks pane Layout section on the right. To show or hide the Tasks pane, click on View and Tasks pane. This will either show or hide the Tasks pane. Let's use the Layout section to change the layout of a slide. Select the slide named Development up to Present. From the Layout section, select Title, Content over Content. This changes the layout of the slide. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. To summarize, we learned view options and their uses and master pages. Try this comprehension test assignment. Create a new presentation. Create a master with dark blue background and light blue title area. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This tutorial has been contributed by Desi Crew Solutions Private Limited. Thanks for joining.